Don't stop.
Sin City was a savior.
So, like, does the radio stop when you get into a car accident? Or are you just sitting there like... Get out of any phone call with this one trick. Oh my god! This cat was very hungry, and she thought the woman wearing the cow costume was her mom, so she tried to get some milk. One time I was in the bathroom at Walmart taking a violent shit, and I noticed someone kept watching me through the crack. I said, if you don't fuck off, I'll kick your ass so hard my foot will come out through your mouth. He then started hysterically crying and he ran out. I was thinking, what a little pathetic bitch was he. I couldn't flush the toilet because it was clogged, so I just left all the shit in there for the next lucky fucker to come along and witness it. I saw the man that was staring at me go back into the bathroom, and that's when I realized I left my phone on the toilet roll holder. I went inside the store to see the man eating my shit like it was a McDonald's 4-course meal with dessert and a free side. He then turned around and started hysterically crying again, and he ran out of the store with shit all over his face. I got my phone and left that bit faster than my dad left me when I was a child. I never went to that Walmart ever again.
Couldn't live in fear when I'm stuttering and stumbling. I can always hear him sort of muttering and mumbling. I associate him with the sound of falling sand.
Ya tenía una semana que no me recordaba. Es un guacamayo, miren.
What?
Está bien bonito.
What the
Golden Blue.
fuck is that?
16 meses de nacido,
Oh my